Today, we will talk about cryptocurrency exchanges, types of exchanges, and how they work. Meaning of a cryptocurrency exchange. A cryptocurrency exchange works similarly like stock exchanges, which helps the investors to buy and sell in digital currencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Tether. These platforms work on digital marketplace, such as mobile apps or via desktop functions, similarly like e-brokerages. They also provide an array of trading and investing tools to its users. The crypto exchanges also provide trading of various cryptocurrency, such as margin or lending trading, and future and options trading. To provide their users with these countless offerings, the crypto exchanges charge some type of fee for your transactions, which can be either based on the volume of your transaction or dependent upon which kind of trade you carried out. Before crypto exchanges, investors were only able to receive crypto via mining or by organizing transactions in various online and offline forums. But now, there are hundreds of cryptocurrency exchanges operating worldwide and offering various digital currencies with varying levels of security and fee structure. Unlike traditional stock or commodity markets, where fees have been reduced in the last few years, crypto trading generally costs more. Note, the ideal cryptocurrency exchange will make it easy for you to trade the currencies you want with truncated fee structure and reliable security features. Cryptocurrency exchanges, whether centralized and decentralized, are very new as a concept. They work on the basis to provide a match for buyers and sellers. When you set up an account with any of the crypto exchange, it facilitates you to buy and sell cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Cardano, or Dogecoin, and so on. So if anyone wants to place trades on crypto exchanges in India, they have to first register and complete the Know Your Customer process. Once the user's account is open and verified, then they can transfer funds in the form of fiat currencies, such as inner or digital currency, onto the platform, which can be further used to make purchases. 1. Binance. Founded in 2017 by Changpeng Zhao, often referred to as KIX, Binance quickly ascended to become one of the world's leading cryptocurrency exchanges. Known for its extensive list of tradable cryptocurrencies in pairs, Binance has gained a reputation for its high liquidity, robust security measures, and innovative offerings. Beyond its basic trading platform, Binance has expanded into various crypto services, including Binance Chain, a blockchain platform, Binance Dex, a decentralized exchange, and Binance Launchpad, a platform for new token launches. The company also introduced its own cryptocurrency, Binance Coin MEM, which can be used for trading fee discounts and other purposes within the Binance ecosystem. While Binance's rapid growth and diversification have been met with enthusiasm by many in the crypto community, it has also faced regulatory scrutiny in various jurisdictions. As the crypto landscape evolves, Binance continues to adapt and expand its global footprint. 2. Coinbase. Established in 2012 by Brian Armstrong and Fred Ehrsam, Coinbase has emerged as one of the most recognizable cryptocurrency exchanges, especially in the United States. Designed with a user-friendly interface, it caters to both beginners and seasoned crypto enthusiasts. Initially offering a simple way for Americans to purchase Bitcoin using fiat currency, Coinbase has since expanded its range to include a variety of cryptocurrencies. The platform is renowned for its robust security features, regulatory compliance, and emphasis on ease of use. In addition to its basic trading interface, Coinbase launched Coinbase Pro, a platform tailored for professional traders with advanced charting tools. The company's influence extends beyond trading, as it offers custodial services, an educational platform, Coinbase Earn, and a venture arm, Coinbase Ventures, that invests in promising startups. In 2021, Coinbase went public on the Nasdaq, solidifying its position as a central player in the cryptocurrency world. 3. Kraken. Founded in 2011 by Jess Powell, Kraken is one of the oldest and most respected cryptocurrency exchanges in the industry. Based in San Francisco, Kraken has built a reputation for its strong emphasis on security, regulatory compliance, and a diverse range of supported cryptocurrencies and fiat trading pairs. Kraken's platform offers both spot and futures trading, allowing users a wide variety of investment strategies. Additionally, the platform provides advanced trading features, such as margin trading for experienced users. Kraken also stands out for its detailed transparency initiatives, including its dedication to proving its reserves through third-party audits. Over the years, the exchange has expanded its services to include over-the-counter (OCT) trading, a staking service, and a crypto bank after its acquisition of the first cryptocurrency bank in Wyoming, USA. Known for its robust customer service and educational resources, Kraken continues to be a top choice for many crypto enthusiasts worldwide. 4. Bitfinex. Bitfinex is a cryptocurrency exchange founded in 2012 by Rafael Nicole and Giancarlo Devasini. Headquartered in Hong Kong, Bitfinex gained popularity for its advanced trading features and high liquidity. It offers a wide range of cryptocurrency trading pairs, including many altcoins, making it a favored choice among traders seeking diversity. The exchange also provides margin trading and lending services, allowing users to leverage their positions or earn interest on their holdings. Bitfinex has historically been known for its strong trading volume, contributing to its position as one of the major players in the cryptocurrency market. However, it has faced controversies and legal challenges over the years, including concerns about its financial reserves and regulatory compliance. Despite these challenges, Bitfinex remains an integral part of the cryptocurrency trading ecosystem for those seeking advanced trading options. 5. Bittrex. Established in 2013 by Bill Shihara, Richie Lai, and Ramy Kawach, Bittrex is a cryptocurrency exchange known for its vast selection of cryptocurrency trading pairs. Based in Seattle, Washington, Bittrex has maintained its position as a reliable platform for digital asset trading by placing a strong emphasis on security. Leveraging the founders' backgrounds in security from companies like Microsoft, the platform integrates multiple layers of protection, including two-factor authentication to safeguard user funds. Bittrex rapidly gained traction in the crypto community due to its user-friendly interface, quick transaction processing, and commitment to regulatory compliance. Over the years, the exchange has consistently added new coins and tokens after thorough review, giving traders a wide array of options. Although facing stiff competition from newer exchanges, Bittrex's consistent focus on maintaining a secure, streamlined trading environment ensures its continued relevance in the cryptocurrency world. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.